Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are well at your home with your parents, with your fellows, and hope so you are living balanced life at home. Students, due to COVID-19, we all are in our houses. This condition we have to overcome. Nowadays we are having so many problems, so many stress. Just like we are thinking about our examination, we are thinking about our study, we are thinking about our businesses, we are thinking about our future scenario. Sometimes we are feeling stress. So, first of all, what is stress? Stress is a upset condition of a human being. In other words, we can say it's stress which can disturb the normal physical and mental health of a person. Then we can say a person under stress. So, how we can overcome the stress? Stress may be in the form of depression, stress in the form of education, stress may be in the form of any crisis. So we can be in stress. What? How to overcome the stress? How to manage? How we can manage the stress? There are so many techniques throughout we can manage the stress, just like relaxation, just like meditation, just like yogic exercises, just like playing activities, just like perform so many games, indoor, maybe outdoor. But nowadays we cannot perform outdoor games because we are in our houses. Indoor game we can play, some aerobics we can do. There are so many techniques to remove the stress from our mind. Stress may be physiologically, maybe psychologically also. So I would discuss some techniques in front of you how to overcome the stress. Number one, the participation in physical activities, because this is very important. If I'm telling you, I'm teaching you physics daily, I'm teaching you accountancy daily, I'm teaching you biology 4 or 5 hours, so you will feel stress always. What you require afterward, you require some changes and all. That's why is curriculum of CBSE, curriculum of NCRT, they give a sports period for everyone so that they can feel relaxed. I have seen many officers, those who are officers just like IS officer, IPS officer, they are playing golf, they are playing badminton, they are doing swimming. Why? After their working hours, to remove the stress. So stress is a very big phenomena. Stress may be in the form of anything. So nowadays we are having so much overload, then we can feel stress. Throughout physical activities, performance and all, we can remove the stress. And next is achieve a high level of physical fitness. This is very important. If your physical level is very high, automatically you can remove the stress, you can overcome the stress. So this is very important to improve your physique with the physical workout and all, with the gym and all. Give your body proper shape, and automatically you can remove stress. Cognitive strategy to change the perception of a stressor. Those who are under stress, they have to change the strategy. Sometimes we are feeling stress, so what we will do, we will change the scenario, we will listen music, we will sing a song. I mean, we will change a taste even. Whenever we are doing so we can change our mindset to overcome the stress. So this is also a stress management. And building a self confidence, building a self confidence is a very important. Improve your self confidence so that we can overcome the stress. Whenever your confidence is very less, automatically stress will overcome you. If you will build your self confidence, I will do this, I can do this, automatically you can overcome the stress. Then far away from stressful personalities, far away from stressful person, those who are having stress, so please far away from them, because they will depress you always, because already they are in depression, they are in stress. And don't think about stressful thoughts. So we should think positively always. If we are talking always negativity, automatically stress will overcome us. So these things we have to inculcate in our mind practically, so that we can manage our stress, because stress can be a cure for anyone, PM to PM. Nowadays, everybody is suffering from such kind of crisis. I mean, stress. So, how to overcome it? I gave you some tips. Hope so you will follow it. Hope so you will follow these all guidelines. But so I am providing you theoretically, but you have to inculcate these all the things practically in your life. So stay healthy, stay happy, stay balanced life. Thank you very much for patience listening. Thank you very much. Thank you.